Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 7th of January 2022. 2021 will go down as the year of speculation excess, and one for the record books in respect of bullish sentiment extremes. This was summarized within our final chart on the 31st of December, see the link, with our first chart of 2022 being FOMO, the fear of missing out, which has been part of the frenzy of the past couple of years. Investors have piled into SPACs, IPOs and penny stocks plus an array of exchange-traded funds offering ever-increasing leverage, excessive valuations and the excitement of volatility. Unbelievably, a FOMO ETF was actually launched in May 2021, whose chief investment officer said, "We want to ride momentum, but also whatever has had its butt kicked, we want to buy into that as well." For most of its short life to date, it's his investors' butts that have received the kicking. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the commodities covered, and the cryptocurrencies. Whilst sovereign bond yields were higher across the board, big time. Meanwhile, U.S. consumer credit surged, in particular revolving credit or credit card debt. Likewise for the UK, which we correlate against the FTSE 100 stock index, a socioeconomic barometer of social mood. Whilst out east we note the main driver of housing demand, which has now reversed. There is plenty of media coverage about the excess savings built up during the lockdowns and which is about to be unleashed on consumer spending, including the pent-up demand for eating out and for vacations. There is one major problem however, the middle class, excess savings, are now gone, long gone, as can be seen here. The U.S. credit card surge mentioned within the regional coverage confirms the disappearance of the excess savings replaced by credit card reliance as interest rates are spiking. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview as 2022 looks to be shaping up to be a very interesting year in more ways than one.